All right, good afternoon. Pretty productive day. Got the above the bed tongue and groove around the sides. I don't mind those pieces of wood there. Those are I've got those. I got the tongue and groove is silicone to the wall with a couple of brad nails across the top and a couple of screws run through the bottom. But tomorrow I'll take all that off once that silicone sets up real good. I've got to run some lights under here with switches, and got this behind the bed. Storage compartment. I got Mr. Patriot hanging out with me all day. So I took a series of pictures of me putting this on, so I'll put those in the video too. Good, buddy. It's rock and roll. It's rock and roll. So I'll finish this up tomorrow, and once the glue and everything has a chance to set up, I did sand some of it, the parts that I could, fill the nail holes. So, a little bit of a mess. Of course, we got running water. You knew that. I've been using it a lot today. Let's see where our tanks are at. Let's see. Let's see the gray tank. Let's see. Oh, it's empty. And my gray tank's empty. Huh. That's pretty cool. Alright, let me finish cleaning up here, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Y'all have a great day. Great night. Oh, one more thing. I can't remember if I showed you that I finished trimming out the lower cabinets. They're all ready for their doors and ready for the shelf. I'm going to put one more style in the mirror there. At first, we thought about just putting some shelves across the bottom, but she'd rather have doors. And since we've only got so much room going through here, I'm thinking about putting 4 doors with two, like, 24-inch cabinets side by side, but with 2 doors. So okay, Mom will be home in a few minutes, and I got coffee on. She likes her coffee when she comes home from work. So everything's all cleaned up, ready to go. So tomorrow I'm gonna try like hell to finish the back here, and I'm gonna try to get to the middle of the window and to the middle of this window with the tongue and groove heading towards the back of the trailer. I want to get the electric in. I want to get those lights. So that's my task for tomorrow. Let's see if I get them done or not. Anyway, I know I said I was done, but I forgot to bring my iPhone cord in so I could transfer the files to the computer. So anyway, all right, very cool. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. You have a great night. Like the video if you like it. Subscribe if you like it to the channel, and talk to you later.